Hello, my name is Anthony, and today I'd like to talk about all the things that, or most of the things that we've learned in Gen Bio 101. So if anyone wants to take this class or is going to take this class, they have sort of a general idea of what they'll be learning. So you start off with an intro to bio, so you learn about all the themes, ecosystems, so on and so on, a little cell structure, a little atom structure, isotopes. And the first main unit focuses on the chemical compounds of life. So all the things that make up the human body, so mainly oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Talk about protons, neutrons, electrons, atomic numbers, so on, so on. I'm sure a lot of you already know what that is. Then you move into bonds, which is when it gets interesting. You learn about hydrogen bonds, oxygen bonds, and these are really the things that make cell structures happen, make cells hold together, and make you who you are. And then you learn about pH values. So the scale of 0 through 14, basic to acidic. And after that starting unit, you learn about carbohydrates, proteins, monomers, polymers, phospholipids, amino acids. And I know a lot of you are probably lactose intolerant, so you'll learn why exactly you're lactose intolerant. And then after these starting units, you go into the big one, which is learning the cell structure of both eukaryotic and prokaryotic creatures. Pretty much a lot of memorization. And then after that, you learn how cells function with one another, so how they transfer material or energy between the cells. So this involves enzymes, receptor proteins, etc. And then after that, you learn how cells get energy so they can do all these wonderful processes. So you learn about photosynthesis, the citric acid cycle, also the Krebs cycle, the electron transport chain, oxidation reduction, oil ring, as a lot of you probably know. And then at the end of this unit, you tie all these things together and learn about cellular respiration, which is the most important process in cells. And then you move on to mitosis and meiosis, which is cell reproduction. I'm sure you guys remember it's like interphase through cytokinesis. After that, you learn all about DNA structure. So like your G, T, A, C, etc., and U's and RNA. You learn how those DNA structures reproduce.